Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file business ITR. First, identify your business structure, whether it's a sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation, as this determines the specific forms you'll need. Next, meticulously collect all your financial documents, including income statements, expense receipts, and any relevant tax forms like a Form 1099. Finally, decide if you'll submit your return electronically, which is often faster, or opt for traditional paper filing. Knowing the right forms is crucial for accurate filing. If you're a sole proprietor, you'll generally use Schedule C, profit or loss from business, attached to your personal Form 1040. Partnerships, on the other hand, file Form 1065, U.S. Return of Partnership Income, and provide Schedule K-1s to their partners. Corporations will typically file either Form 1120 for C corporations or Form 1120S for S corporations. Don't miss out on valuable deductions and credits that can significantly lower your tax bill. Common business expenses like office supplies, rent, utilities, and even vehicle mileage at 67 cents per mile can be deducted. Explore various tax credits available for small businesses, such as those for research and development or hiring specific employee groups. Always maintain thorough records to support every deduction you claim. Before submitting, meticulously review your entire return for any potential errors or omissions. Double-check all calculations and ensure all necessary forms are attached. File your return by the deadline, typically April 15th, to avoid late penalties and interest. If you need more time, remember to file an extension. Also, for a fresh car scent and other great deals, check out the description below. It's packed with useful links and offers you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.